Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to connect Google Search Console to Lovable AI. First, open your web browser and go to Google Search Console. Now click on Start Now and sign in with your Google account if prompted. Once you're in Google Search Console, select URL prefix as the property type. Enter the URL of your Lovable project or custom domain, then click Continue. Google Search Console will now show several verification methods. Select the HTML tag verification method. Copy the meta tag provided by Google. You will need this tag to verify ownership of your website. Now open the Lovable website and sign into your account. From the left side menu, click on All Projects. Select the project you want to connect to Google Search Console. Open the project editor and paste the verification tag. You can enter a prompt such as, add this Google Search Console meta tag to the head section of my website. Then send the prompt and allow Lovable to update your project. Once the change has been applied, publish or update your website if required. Now go back to Google Search Console and click Verify. Google will check for the verification tag on your website. If everything is set up correctly, your website will be verified and successfully connected to Google Search Console. After verification, you can start tracking your website's search performance, indexing status, and other SEO data directly in Google Search Console. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.